Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. I'm Jonathan, the Catholic woodworker, and I have with me.
Jacob
And what
Conrad.
happened to your tooth?
I lost it.
Okay. We just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Today we're thankful for many, many things, but especially for all of you. We thank you for your prayers, your support, your friendships, and all the great relationships we built over the last couple of years doing this really, really fun work. So we're thankful for everyone. We offer a prayer of thanksgiving for all of you. Many blessings to you and your loved ones as well. We have, well, I guess, one special announcement that we have a brand new rosary. This rosary won't be available for purchase until next year, but we are giving one rosary away. That's part of a big Christmas giveaway. So all you got to do is click the link in our profile, register your email address to win the rosary, and as well as you'll get one extra entry for every $10 spent on the store now through Monday, 11:59 Eastern Daylight Time, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So go check it out. Spend time with family today. Thank the Lord for all the blessings in your life. We're certainly thankful for all of you. God bless. Take care.
Bye.